Do you want a stock list? Here we go. All stocks showing some positive trend for next trading sessions. Somehow banking sector showing good where today it's closed on dip red. I am using 1 hour chart for this prediction list. Axis Bank, CMP at 744. It's CCI positive divergence. My target is above 750 plus area. Next is State Bank of India. It's CCI positive divergence. My target is above 549 plus area. Next is ICICI Bank. It's CCI positive divergence. My target is above 868 plus area. The last one is India Bulls Housing Finance. It's CCI positive divergence. My target is above 119 to 120 plus area. Do not trade before cross-check at your end. That's all for the day. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.